Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming compatibility, fixture type, socket size, and voltage so the bulb will operate safely. Turn off power at both the wall switch and breaker for safety. Use a stable ladder and gloves to avoid drops. Once the bulb is screwed in fully, leave the switch off while you position motion-sensitive settings or clearances. This prevents false triggers during setup. Make sure the sensor has clear line of sight for 6 to 15 feet to detect motion reliably before powering up. You now power the bulb to start its calibration or pairing mode. Many bulbs use a specific flip pattern to enter setup, so follow that sequence. Once active, adjust sensitivity so pets or wind don't trigger false positives. Set the timer for desired runtime and enable or disable daylight cutoff to prevent operation in daylight. After adjustments, test by walking through the detection path at 3, 6, and 10 feet to confirm consistent responses. Then fine-tune sensitivity and angle for reliable coverage. You finish by securely mounting the fixture and aiming the sensor toward the primary detection zone. Tighten all hardware and apply weatherproof seals outdoors. Perform a 24-hour test cycle to observe both night and daytime behavior and confirm daylight cutoff and timer functions. If the bulb fails to detect motion, check power and breaker, reset the bulb using the manufacturer reset sequence, clear any obstructions, and recalibrate sensitivity and angle. These steps resolve the majority of issues without replacement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.